Hi, my name is Cindy Jansen, and I'm a leadership development consultant who works with leaders at all levels of organizations. I'm also a lifelong WELS Christian. Lori Lorg from Faith Unleashed Consulting and I created Fuel Your Leadership because we recognize the connection between member engagement and the effectiveness of leaders. Fuel curriculum is developed specifically for Christian leadership like pastors, administrators, church staff, male and female lay leaders, teachers, anyone who is involved in ministry or wants to be a more effective leader in their workplace or at home. Because we know that people don't leave ministry and organizations, they leave their leaders. The benefit of Fuel is that you participate in an interactive learning environment 2 hours a month, investing in your own leadership development, and you're connected with a group of like-minded Christian peers with an intentionality of approach that is impactful, concise, with steady building blocks over time. We launch the Fuel series each fall in September, and this is an opportunity that if churches are not able to bring the development in-house, they can join a group of other leaders to grow in their leadership development. So leaders participate in a 1 hour and 45-minute workshop one Sunday evening a month for 12 months, focusing on a topic that builds upon the previous lesson. We've also created a topic description which lists all 12 workshops along with a brief synopsis of each. No matter if you want to grow personally or with your team, Fuel Your Leadership is your solution. So reach out to Lori and me about any questions that you have about special pricing for your team and sign up at faithunleashedconsulting.com. Have a great rest of your day.